Setting up a SharePoint site, a complete guide. Microsoft SharePoint is a powerful platform for creating, managing, and sharing content. It helps organizations collaborate efficiently and store documents securely. Whether you're part of a small business or a large enterprise, setting up a SharePoint site can help streamline communication and project management. We will walk you through the process of setting up a SharePoint site, covering everything from planning to customization. Understanding SharePoint sites. Before you start, it's essential to understand what a SharePoint site is. SharePoint allows you to create team sites, ideal for collaboration among teams. These sites provide shared resources such as document libraries, task lists, calendars, and discussion boards. Communication sites, best for sharing information with a broader audience. They are used for announcements, news, and displaying content in a more visual and engaging format.